She's using the pedals. Well, it takes to borrow a tricycle. Okay. They're not outside right now, sweetie. They went somewhere, okay? Mom. What? Mom. Yes, that bike's outside. I'm not able to adjust that thing. Don't let me adjust. Right. You can adjust in closer but not back out. I don't know. Yes, Miss Quinny. Yeah, you're doing good. There we go. Oh. Cheese. Mommy, take your picture. Mommy's using the video camera on you now. Yep. On over the thing. Ready? Set. There we go. You almost got it. Yay!
So you have to get off the road.
No, you'd have to stop here anyway, so you're able to hop over that.
I said no jumping off the bike.
Forward, Miss Gwynny. Come on. No, you use the pedals.
Videotaping her?
Yep. For Daddy and Grandma and Grandpa. Because now she knows how to use pedals.